Best Electronic Present Review 2018. Please check out our video description for more details for Best Hedge Trimmer. Product number 1, BLACK+DECKER LHT360 CFF 60 volts max power cut 24 inches cordless hedge trimmer. Product number 2, Snapper SH60V 60 volts hedge trimmer, includes 2Ah battery and charger. Product number 3, 1 plus 18 volt lithium-ion shaft cordless electric string trimmer and edger, without battery and charger. Product number 4, Makita's Huel 4PT 18 volts X2, 36 volts, LXT lithium-ion cordless 25 half hedge trimmer kit, 5.0Ah. Product number 5, Husqvarna 115 55 40 volts 22-inch brushless to a blade hedge trimmer. Best Electronic. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel.